Welcome to Tax Bandits, your IRS authorized compliance-focused e-file solution. With Tax Bandits Prepaid Credits, high-volume filers can purchase filing credits in advance and eliminate interruptions during peak filing season. Prepaid credits help you lock in savings, manage filing costs more efficiently, and file without stopping to process individual payments, keeping your workflow fast and uninterrupted. Once purchased, credits are automatically applied at checkout, allowing you to focus on accuracy, compliance, and meeting deadlines. For a smoother, more efficient filing experience, we recommend purchasing prepaid credits ahead of time. Click the card in the top right corner of this video to learn how. If your business pays wages, tips, or other compensation to employees, filing Form W-2 is a required annual responsibility. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to prepare and file Form W-2 using Tax Bandits. To begin, select Start New Form and choose Form W-2. The current tax year will be selected automatically, but you can choose previous years if needed. Then click File Form W-2 to proceed. Your employer details, your business information, will automatically populate the form. Next, add your employee by selecting them from your address book or entering their details manually. For this example, we'll choose a recipient from the address book and click Link to add them to this form. When preparing Form W-2, report the employee's annual wages and required tax withholdings in the appropriate boxes, including taxable wages and federal income tax withheld. Ensure Social Security and Medicare wages and taxes are reported accurately where applicable. Always review the Form W-2 instructions and payroll records carefully, as reporting requirements can vary based on compensation type and withholding factors. On Form W-2, the State and Local Information section is used to report employee wage and withholding details required for state and local income tax purposes, when applicable. In this section, select the appropriate state and enter the employee's state ID number, state wages, and state income tax withheld. Depending on your selected state, include any required local wage and tax information. Accurate completion of this section supports proper reconciliation with state and local tax authorities and ensures compliance with applicable payroll reporting requirements. When complete, click Save and Continue. The Form Details page provides a consolidated summary of the Form W-2 filings included in your current submission. From this page, you may select View Forms to review the list of W-2 forms you have already prepared, or choose Create New to add an additional W-2 to the filing order. Once you have verified the form details, select Continue to State Filing to proceed with the state reporting portion of the filing process. Depending on your state, additional filing requirements may apply. Tax Bandits supports both federal and state filings, allowing you to complete everything in one seamless workflow. Simply review the state section and continue to Form Distribution. Form Distribution is where you decide how your recipients will receive their copies. You can choose postal mailing only or recipient portal access, which lets recipients securely view their forms online. If you select the portal option, be sure to include recipients' email addresses so they receive an invitation. After confirming email addresses, continue to review forms. Tax Bandits automatically flags missing or incorrect information, helping you fix any issues before filing. We recommend using 10 matching to help reduce errors, expedite the filing process, and protect your clients from costly IRS notices and penalties. If you choose not to use this service, you may continue by reviewing the filing summary and proceeding to checkout. On the Order Summary page, if you have already purchased prepaid credits, your available balance will be automatically applied at checkout, allowing you to proceed directly with transmitting your forms. If you have not yet purchased prepaid credits, you may proceed to file using a credit card. To complete your order, review and acknowledge the credit card usage authorization to proceed with form transmission. After confirming that you are authorized to use the entered credit card and granting Tax Bandits permission to process the charge, select Pay and Transmit to submit payment and transmit your filing. Once the payment is successfully processed, your order will be finalized and the forms will be transmitted. You can then track your filing status directly from your dashboard, including IRS and state acceptance, as well as confirmation that recipient copies were delivered. All completed forms are securely stored, making them easy to access later for reconciliation or audits. That's all it takes to file Form W-2 with Tax Bandits. Log into your account to get started and file your W-2 today.